What are we looking at on the floor, Ainsley? What's on the floor?
A cricket.
Go see it. Grab it. Grab it.
I can't grab it.
Yeah, hold it.
All right.
Be soft.
Oh, he's run away.
Get him. Come get him.
Oh, he's coming to me.
He's coming to you?
Yeah.
Hold him in your hands. Don't let him go into a chair. Scoot him with your hands. Scoot.
Scoot.
Uh-oh. Do we squish him?
No.
Hold him. He's not going to bite you. Pick him up. Be soft. You didn't even touch him. Be soft. What is it?
It's a cricket.
What's his name?
A boy.
His name was a boy?
Yeah. There's a girl and a boy cricket.
Oh. Do you love him?
Yeah.
You love bugs?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Do we step on bugs?
No.
No, we love them. Why are you screaming?
Because he scared me.
He don't scare you. He's just a cricket.
Huh.
Uh-oh. Where'd he go?
Right there.
Are you going to catch him?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Tell me. Do you love your cricket?
Yeah.
Go get him and show me.
Right there.
Get him.
I get him. Right there. Come here. Come here.
Watch the lamp. Why are you blowing him?
Because he scared me. Look. Hey. There's cricket on your house.
There's a cricket on my house?
Yeah.
Where?
Right. Right. Over there.
Right over
Go
there.
get him.
Right
Pick
there.
him up. Pick him up with your hands. Pick him up. Grab him. Bite him in half. Grab him.
Can't grab him.
Why?